Hey everyone, welcome back to TunesKit channel. Have no idea how to erase your iPhone without passcode? Don't panic. Today I will introduce 4 proven methods. Let's start. Method 1. If you turned off Find My, you can erase iPhone using iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Open iTunes or Finder. Click Restore iPhone. Confirm you want to restore and erase the device. This takes several minutes. Once done, your iPhone will restart. Set it up as new or restore from a backup. Method 2. Erase iPhone with TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Download and install TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Connect your iPhone to computer. Open TunesKit iPhone Unlocker and choose Unlock iOS screen. Click Start and put your iPhone into recovery mode according to the guide. Confirm your device model. Click Download. Once downloaded, click Unlock. Wait for the progress bar to complete. Your iPhone will unlock successfully and restart. Method 3. Erase iPhone with iCloud. Ensure Find My has turned on. On any computer or device, open a browser and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with Apple ID and password. Select the locked iPhone and click Erase. Confirm you want to erase the device. Enter your Apple ID password again and the verification code sent to your device. Once erased, it will restart to the Hello Setup screen. Method 4. Erase iPhone with Find My app. This method also needs to turn on Find My. On your other trusted Apple device, open the Find My app. Select Locked iPhone, scroll down and tap Erase this device. Tap Continue, then Erase to confirm. Enter your Apple ID password. Wait for the process to be done. If this video helped, subscribe for more tech tips and fixes like this. Thanks for watching.